Hi, here is the Canon AUTOBOY N130 overall conditions. Okay, here is the battery compartment. Using one CR2 battery like this. Okay, next thing, by pulling here to open the back cover, inside like this. And here's the film. For the film, we need to put this compartment, slide into it, and push it in. Then the film tip, you just put until here will do, and we just close it, and it will auto load. When here show figure 1, which means that we have loaded the film properly. Okay, then we just click this on button to on it. Okay, lens is clean and clear. Then here is the zoom button, zoom in, zoom out. Here's the shutter button, here's the viewfinder. When you look into the viewfinder, you find out at the center point here, got a bracket. So you just use that bracket to aim to the object that you want to focus and half press the shutter. Okay, then wait for it. Here we have an indicator light. Yeah, if it's light, wait until it light up. Because if it's like keep blinking like that, means that actually it can't focus. So it's better that, yeah, like this, it's light up. Okay, so it's okay. Then when it's like dark places, because the flash is auto, so when it's bright enough, it won't trigger the flash. When it's like, yeah, you see, because I've zoomed to the max, so the aperture will be smaller, so it will need flash to have it. Wait, let it focus first. Okay, yeah, like this means that it will trigger the flash. When it have the orange or red light, means that it will trigger the flash. If it doesn't have, that means that it won't trigger the flash. Okay, so the overall is like this. Then here is a timer function. Click it, yeah, you will have a timer logo. Same, half press it and press it. Then it will start blinking, which means that it will like start counting. It took around 10 seconds like that. When it's almost there, it will blink faster. Okay, next thing, click the mode. This one is like the caption, all this thing lah. Okay, then this is the flash setting. Now it's like fully auto. Wow, you want red light reduction. Personally feel that there's nothing different lah. Okay, this one is force the flash, off the flash, off the flash, plus or minus 1.5 compensation. This one will be darker, plus one will be brighter. Okay, night mode, auto mode. This mode is like the date one. Okay, when you click it, this one is like the date imprinting. You can print inside the outcome. If it's okay, this one is the caption. You can click it by clicking this. English 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like stand for this here. It's like this one is the Japanese word. English is like different caption, like I love you, thank you, Happy New Year, Happy Birthday, congratulations. Those. Yeah, like this means it's off. Then we just click the mode again to the date, then we can adjust it. If you want to adjust the date, you need to like off it and click the mode and click the set this button, wow, until it blink, then only you can adjust it, like clicking this. This one is the year lah. Okay, let's adjust to the year, current year. Click the set again, this button, to move to the another one. This one is the month. Click again to the next one, the date, the time, like that. So you can change the mode by yourself. See what kind of format you want. If you don't want, you just put it like this, it will be blank. Then it won't have any like caption or date inside the outcome. Okay, and when you should finish, it will auto rewind. So here's the overall condition of the camera, and hope you enjoy it.